Please pause this video and answer the question before continuing. Alright, so as you may have guessed, this is a follow the rules question. So our first step will be to summarize the given information. So first we're told that no two runners run at the same speed, which we can summarize as follows. Next we're told that May runs faster than Queta. So how should we summarize this? Well, a useful way is to summarize it like this. With this format, we'll say that if a runner is situated above another runner, then the higher runner is the faster runner. Okay, next we're told that Queta runs faster than both Olga and Leah, which we can summarize like this. Now please note that this construction only shows us that since Queta is positioned above Olga and Leah, then Queta runs faster than Olga and Leah. However, we cannot make any conclusions about the relative running speeds of Olga and Leah. For example, it could be the case that Olga runs faster than Leah. Or it could be the case that Leah runs faster than Olga. So we cannot make any conclusions about which of these two runners is faster. We can only conclude that Queta runs faster than both Olga and Leah. Alright, moving along, we're told that Leah runs faster than both Sue and Nora. So we'll summarize this as follows. Notice once again that we cannot make any solid conclusions about the relative speeds of Sue and Nora. We don't even know how their speeds compare with Olga's speed. All we know is that Queta is faster than Olga, and Leah is faster than Sue and Nora. So it could be the case that Olga's speed could be way down here, and Sue's speed could be even lower. This uncertainty explains why it's possible for some of the runners to be on more than one team. Alright, moving along, next we're told that Tia runs slower than Olga, so we'll place Tia beneath Olga, like so. Next, Ria runs slower than Tia, so we'll place Ria here. Finally, we're told that Ria runs faster than Pat, which means we'll place Pat here. Okay, at this point we've summarized all of the given information, so we should be able to complete the tasks without referring back to the given text. Okay, let's begin with the task in the left-hand column. We're looking for a runner who could be on team number 2, but cannot be on team number 3. Could this person be Leah? No. Given our summary of the information, it's possible that Leah, Sue, and Nora could be placed way down here, in which case they would all be on team number 3. So since it is possible for Leah to be on team number 3, we'll have to keep checking the answer choices. What about Nora? Well, since we just established that Leah could be on team number 3, and since Nora runs slower than Leah, Nora could also be on team number 3. So we'll have to keep checking the answer choices. What about Olga? Could she be on team number 2? Sure, if we pushed her side down a bit here, then these 3 runners would be the fastest, in which case they'd be on team number 1. Since Olga, Sue, and Nora would be the next 3 fastest runners, they'd be on team number 2. So yes, it is possible for Olga to be on team number 2. Now, can we also conclude that Olga could never be on team number 3? Yes, we can. We know this because our summary tells us that Tia, Ria, and Pat all run slower than Olga. So if team 3 is for the 3 slowest runners, then it would be impossible for Olga to be on that team. So since Olga could be on team 2, but can never be on team 3, the correct answer here must be Olga. Now at this point, should we continue checking the other answer choices? The answer is no. This question involves 100% logic. So if Olga meets the given criteria, then we can be certain that no other answer meets that criteria. So we'll select Olga and move on to the right-hand column. Which of the runners could be on any team? Well, let's see if it's Leah. Well, first notice that if the diagram looked like this, then Leah could be on team number 1. If the diagram looked like this, then these 3 runners would be on team 1, and Leah would be on team 2. Finally, if the diagram looked like this, then Leah would be on team 3. So since Leah could be on any team, the correct answer here is Leah. So these are the final answers.